So, yan po ang una. Yan po ang una. Pero meron din po pangalawa.
Yes.
And ito, naalala ko nun, hindi ko talaga alam, like, pinapahinga ko yung mga hinihan ako. Kaya ayaw nila ganito eh. Kasi hindi ganito sapatos. Kasi ito. So, hindi maka-expand yung song ko. So, pag pinapahinga ko yung mga clips sa mga YouTube, yung mga ganyan, na ako singing when I was very young, hindi ko talaga inahala. Magiging singer ako. Kasi, ang pangit eh. As in, like, for lack of a better term, boses ibis. Pero, si mama ko, sabi niya sa akin, pag-aral kang kumanta. Kasi hindi ka forever cute. Totoo, di ba?
Yeah.
Marami po mga child stars na, porque hindi na cute, medyo nawala na rin. And, hindi ko naman alam kasi nalalaki po ako heartthrob, no?
Yes!
So, sabi ng mama ko, aral kang kumanta. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Nandito yung pinakauna kong voice teacher, si Ma'am Betsy Valenia. I think she's here. Sana naman proud kayo sa akin. Yung hard work ninyo, kahit pa paano meron namang nabuo. And this song, I never thought that I'd be releasing something like this back when I was, I think, 11 years old or 12 years old. This song is called Another Rainy Day. Just another rainy day. Can't go out to play. I'm staring out the window, wondering how to pass the time away.
What's your number? I can't remember.
I wish I could talk to you, 'cause it's just another rainy day, just another far away.
What's your number? I can't remember.
I wish that I could talk to you today. A friend like you can brighten up a rainy day. You and I, we can chase the clouds away, but what's your